It's another new day and it's our last day here. Now we're packed everything already, and din si Mr. Dinala niya yung ibang bags sa car, and me and James is waiting his daddy in the room. So I clear up already, and then everything is okay. Malinis na, inayos ko yung mga dapat ayusin, especially yung bed kasi nakakahiya. And then, yes, I don't know where we're gonna go today kasi mamaya na kaming hapon uuwi. Time check is, I think it's just about, hang on a minute. It's 20 to 10, guys. So, we'll be early because I wake up 7:45 to 8. Kasi nag-breaky kay may free breakfast dito. Hindi ko rin na-vlog ulit. But sorry about that. So, yes, we're planning to go somewhere bago kami uuwi mamayang hapon. Yes, Mommy's vlogging. Hi, guys! Hi, guys! Shall we show them what's our attire? Come on. He's wearing his... Oh, no. Yeah. Rugby shirt and jeans. Tapos, si Mommy naman is... I'm wearing my thick... Ito yung ating pa-outfit. I'm wearing my thick jumper and then naka-leggings ng black. Yan, then my boots. Buti na lang kahapon dala ko to. So, I got my comfy boots. Kasi yesterday we go to Whitby, I didn't realize na medyo siya, tawag nito. Peebles yung So, naka-high heels pa ang lola mo. Buti na lang, dala-dala ko tong extra ko, which is lower siya. Yung heels niya is about 2 inch lang. Kahapon kasi yung heels ko is 4 inch. 4 or 5, something like that. So, nag-change ako kasi Peebles doon sa Whitby. Pero yes, we had a nice time yesterday. And we Babsi. So, ngayon, dadalhin ko kayo kung saan tayo gagala ang talak ko today. Namiss ko kasi kayo, namiss ko mag-vlog. So, yun nga, dadalhin ko kayo kung saan tayo gagala. Bye, guys! Joke! Alis na tayo! Ready? And Daddy is just here. Get a card. Excited na si Aling maliit. Go, go! Ito yung labas ng aming corridor.
Excuse me, are you checking out now?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Come on. Excited ka? Pull. Oh, breakfast na sila. Ayan yung resto. And then this is the reception. Check out time. Check out time. Somebody's really excited here. Hey? Somebody's really excited. Yes, you are. Hey? You are excited. Oh, my restaurant sa labas ng guys, yung Toby Carvery, where we always had our din-din every night for 2 nights. Ito yung masarap siya guys dito, carvery. Yung tawag nila dito yung mga roast, like roast pork, chicken, turkey and beef, like that. So yan, bye-bye for now. Everything's okay? Look at the little cutie boy. Hey? Look at the smart boy smiling there. Hi! Bye-bye! Hi guys, we finally arrived in Scarborough. I think I need my gloves, honey. It's chilly. Kahit makapal yung suot ko, ang lamig. Pupunta tayo sa may dagat na naman. Maglagay muna ako ng gloves. So kami maglalakad-lakad sa tabing dagat, and it's really lovely. We've been up there Yung ano niya is round and round. But yes, it's quite nice here. And this is what the view. And the beach is just around there. That one. Ang ganda dito. I'm amazed there's not much people in here, isn't it? Honey? Tapos napakalinis ng beach. And that's the Massive Hotel. If you see this building, that's a hotel. And we walk right up there, down here. So, yan. My little boy is here and daddy. So, we'll keep moving. And see what we can see. So, ayan yung dagat, guys. Ang linis niya, ha? In fairness. And you can ride a donkey as well here. Yan. You can ride a donkey. Super calm yung dagat. Ang galing. Look at the view right there. Nakisama din yung panahon. So, ang gagawin natin is maglakad-lakad, ikot-ikot kung anong makikita. Nothing more exciting. Pero maganda dito. Maganda yung dagat. Not like the first beach we went last year. Was it last year, honey? Sa wind, yeah. Or a year before sa Weston Supermare. Ang dumi ng dagat. Dito ang linis. That just really amazed me. Tapos super calm yung dagat. At of course, yung haring araw nakisama sa atin. Then we lucky. Super lucky kami kasi maaraw. Kahit malamig, at least may araw. It's not wetty. So, maganda. Make the most of the day na kasi uwi na kami mamaya.
Yeah. It's been a nice year so far.
But so far, so good. I think we don't need our hat now, honey. It's a bit warm now. Lumabas na si haring araw, mainit na. Hi. Ito rin yung mga shop dito, guys. Most of them is fish and chips, sweets, ice cream, something like that. And there's a casino there. Tapos, sa niya but most of it is ice cream and fish and chips shop up right to the end. Then mga slot machine. So yes, it's really good here. Very recommended place here in UK. So ayan na guys yung ating mga kayatihan. Charing. Ilabas ang yati, honey. Where's our yacht? Nuts. Filingira. Is that ours? Okay, then. Get it. And put the red carpet for us. Charing! Ayan, guys. Oh, yung mga yacht and boat here. Naglulukuhan pa kami ni Mister. Another souvenir shop, guys. Bili tayo ulit for mama. Oh, rosary. I got rosary. Hanap tayo kay mama. You don't share. One. Scarborough. Nice one. Diba? I think I'll get this one. Oh, yeah, there's another one. Crabs. And there's more here. They have. We're heading back now, guys. Nag-ikot lang kami saglit sa shop. And then I bought some, I think 4 t-shirt. Wasn't it? Bumili ako ng 4 t-shirt. 2 for me, 1 for my sister, and 1 for my mother. So ayan, we're heading back now. Heading back home. Yeah.